If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You know what's in this box. Let's unbox it.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
Here we go. What is going on, guys? Apple World here. So in front of us we've got Apple Pencil 2, the brand new iPad Pro in space gray, and the new Smart Keyboard Folio case. Let's go ahead and start unboxing the iPad Pro. Last, let's go ahead and start unboxing the Apple Pencil 2. As I was saying, this Apple Pencil 2 actually charges wirelessly from your iPad, which is something that I'm really excited to actually try out. So as you guys can see, we will simply, designed by Apple in California. Let's go ahead and lift up the tab. And here it is. Here is the Apple Pencil 2. Okay. Oh, so it's... Okay, so here I have the Apple Pencil, the original Apple Pencil. Size difference, it's the Apple Pencil, the first generation, is just a little bit larger. And it's actually matte. This one's like kind of shiny, this one's kind of matte. So this feels way much nicer in the hand, and it's actually way much comfortable. The thing that I love the most about this Apple Pencil is, look, if I actually leave my first generation Apple Pencil in my table, every time you leave it, if there's like, this table is perfectly flat, but if there's like a table that goes a little bit like that, your Apple Pencil will go and fly. With this Apple Pencil, since it's got a flat surface, you can simply do like that, which is really awesome. Do we get anything else in the box? Designed by Apple in California. Yep. We do not get Apple stickers over here. So yeah, we just get paperwork in this. Guys, I am so incredibly excited to unbox the iPad Pro. Like, there's been so many rumors this year, so many, and it has finally come to this moment. Let's go ahead and unbox the Smart Keyboard Folio case. Let's go ahead and leave that Apple Pencil 2 out of the way. Don't want to scratch the box. Alright, and here is the Smart Keyboard Folio case. This is actually Smart Keyboard Folio. I was actually wrong on my last video. I actually kept saying Smart Keyboard Folio case. It's not it, it's simply Smart Keyboard Folio. Come on, buddy. Come on, this is the 11-inch version. By the way, yes, I did get the 11-inch iPad Pro, simply because the iPad Pro, the 12-inch, the 12.9-inch is simply too big for me. I currently own it, and it's way too big. Okay, so here's the case. It feels nice in the hand. Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's go ahead and peel this off. Okay, this feels really nice. This feels really nice. Apple, you did really good in this case. You open it, and we got the paperwork here. Okay, this is pretty interesting. Okay, this is... Apple with packaging is always top notch. But overall, the quality feels nice. Here we have the smart connector, which is now vertically. Before it was on the side. Now it's vertically, which is a really nice change. The keyboard hasn't actually changed. The keys feel like the same. It is time, boys. It is time to unbox the brand new iPad Pro. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest, because we've talked so much about this iPad, and to have it finally here in home is just super exciting. So let's go ahead and do it. Here we've got the tab. Oh boy. So as you guys know, the brand new iPad Pros do not actually come in gold. I don't really know why Apple did this. I mean, I kind of know. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like a video on why I think Apple didn't add a new gold color option. I'm really sad about it. And I've never actually owned a space gray iPad before, so this is the first time. But I'm not too excited about the color. What I am really excited about is this iPad. I mean, this thing is a beast. The screen is going to be absolutely beautiful. This is the first time that I'm actually seeing this iPad. Okay, I can't actually see anything. I'm gonna actually okay. This feels really squared. I actually really like this. Let me put that back because I don't want to look at it yet. Put that back because I don't want to look at it yet. Put that back because I don't want to look at it yet. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. We get USB-C, which is awesome. We get this USB-C fast charging, which is, I mean, Apple, we gotta give you props for that. First time that you've actually ever done that. Here we go, USB-C power brick, and of course, we got the USB-C cables. As you guys know, the brand new iPad Pro does have USB-C, which is something that I've been asking for Apple to do forever. We got huge paperwork. Look at this paperwork. It's like, this is my hand. This is huge paperwork. We got it in a bunch of languages. As always, where are the Apple stickers? Give them to me, give them to me. Are there no Apple stickers? Are you kidding me? There we go. Jeez, these stickers are huge. They're really huge. This, so far, it looks really nice. I can't really see it. Oh my gosh. Okay, the back looks really good. Let's go ahead and peel that off. Alright, it feels really nice on the hand. Let's go ahead and flip it. Let me see that bezel. Let me see that. I mean, there's no bezels. I mean, there kind of is in the side. Does it have no battery or what? It's not working. Hello? It's not turning on, guys. I think it doesn't have battery. That's pretty weird. Alright, give me a second.
A few moments later.
That was so scary, guys. I actually had to connect my USB-C charger to my iPad Pro, and then it finally worked. I was so scared that I got like a default unit or like a broken unit. Anyways, let's go ahead and do this together. I actually set it up already. Welcome to iPad. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Shabam. Holy moly. Jeez. Oh my gosh. The screen. Whoa. Wow and wow. Let's go ahead and set up the new wallpapers. How beautiful is that? I haven't actually seen the wallpaper yet. Okay guys, this is by far one of the biggest products Apple has ever made. I mean, this changes everything. I mean, the edge-to-edge display changes everything on the iPad. This is absolutely beautiful. I've actually brought my 10.5-inch iPad Pro. Well, this is actually not mine. This is actually my old iPad. The first iPad Pro that I ever had. So yeah, this is actually my neighbor's now, my friend. Yeah, she just lent it to me to actually test out the video. Check out the screen difference, guys. Check this out. Just look at the screen difference. I mean, the difference here is just huge. Huge. I am so excited to actually review this thing and actually make a bunch of videos. So let me know in the comments down below, what videos do you guys want to see on the brand new iPad Pro. So here we go. Here's the Smart Keyboard Folio case. Let's go ahead and set it up just like that. Okay. And here we go. And here we go. Here we go. I am so... What the... Okay, guys, you have to see this. Look at this. Are you ready? Whenever I actually place my Apple Pencil right here, and then I just press connect, and there you go. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Just like that, we can actually... It just works. That's absolutely amazing. I love this new feature on the Apple Pencil. Alright, so if I actually have to criticize the iPad Pro on one thing, it'd be this, right? On the iPad Pro, the old one, the 10.5-inch, when you were actually done using the keyboard, you simply fold it up just like this. Pretty good. Not the best mechanism because it still had like a bump. Now everything is flat, but pretty great. Definitely better than this. Now, when you actually try and fold the keyboard case, which folds really nicely, I have to say, check this out. We got the keyboard. So now when you're actually using your iPad, you're touching the keyboards. the keys, they actually don't work whenever they're like that. But I feel like it's really distracting. I feel like I'm always just, whenever I'm done using my keyboard and actually want to use my iPad, I'm simply gonna get rid of this. Because this feels so nice. I like the square design actually. I thought I wasn't going to actually like it. It's really nice. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna be doing this all day now. I feel like it's like on the AirPods lid. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are actually addicted to that. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Once again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys did, make sure to of course give it a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below. Did you today get your brand new iPad Pro? I'm like really happy. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts such as this one, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Guys, let me know in the comments down below some video ideas on the iPad Pro. What type of content do you guys want to see on the iPad Pro? And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Anyways, guys,
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts.